This keyboard offers very stylish choral aesthetics with a satisfying typing experience. Welcome once again guys to the best place for your latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity Technology presenting you the XVX M84 Coral C themed keyboard. This is a 75% 84 keys keyboard having dual connection methods. You can either use this using a Type-C cable or a 2.4 GHz Bluetooth connectivity. This comes with an 1815 mAh of battery, which is enough for 10 to 14 working days. Apart from this, about the switches, it comes with Keybaord yellow switches having a north-facing RGB lights. This contains a dye-sublimated PBT keycaps having 1.5 mm of keycap walls. It also supports 3 to 5 pin switches. Apart from this keyboard has 19 different RGB backlight modes with 9 different colors and 5 different brightness levels. We will discuss it about a bit later, but first let's see what we get inside the box. Here we have the USB Type-C cable, a wire keycap puller, a switch puller and our Coral C themed keyboard. You can see the C artwork on the button. Even the font on the keyboards fits pretty well according to the theme, and the artwork on the backside feels very attractive. It is more like a 65% with just extra columns on the right and the function key on the top. The keycap comes with their XVX profile, which looks across between the OEM sculpt of the keycap and then a really smooth side like the XVA profile. The XVX profile makes the key comfortable to type on, and the extra height of the function room makes it easy to reach. To check all the 19 backlight modes, just press the function key and the print screen button, and this will take you through all the 19 backlight modes. Just keep the mode which you love the most. If you press the function key and the pause, that will take you through all the 9 different level of colors. Also about more functions, to adjust the brightness, press the function key and the arrow key. The up arrow will increase the brightness while the down arrow will decrease it. Simultaneously holding the function key and pressing the right arrow will increase the speed of the mode which you are in, and the left arrow will decrease it. This also has gaming interaction mode. If you press function key and delete, this will take you through all the 4 different gaming interaction modes. So here is how the keyboard will sound like when you will type on it. This key is a tray-mounted design having a nice Coral C theme on the keycaps. At the back side here we have a place for our 2.4 GHz dongle. This is a magnetic fit. It doesn't have any kind of friction fit in it, which can generate a problem if the magnetism loses in future. Considering all the features and the specs this keyboard is providing us as 84 keys in a 75% keyboard with 9 different RGB backlight modes coming with north facing RGB and a hot swappable keys. The quality it is providing under $100 is a great deal. At this range you will find most of the keyboards in a monochromatic color like black, white, grey, and at this point the keyboard is providing you such a beautiful attractive theme which can be suitable for your work mode. So this was all about the XVX M84 keyboard. I hope you like this video. If so, do hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and also share this video with your loved ones. This is Enoylity Technology and we will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.